Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to revise the first lesson of the third term, Kite 5. Do you all remember the story? Yes, I think. Who was the main character in the story? Yes, it is Vinay and Geeta. Vinay promised to Geeta that what he promised? Yes, he will teach her how to fly the kite. Is it? They were playing with the kite. While they were flying that kite, what was happened there? Do you remember? Yes, a black, red-eyed kite appeared in the sky. Is it? Whose was that kite? It was Mohan's kite. And what happened there? Yes, Geeta had cut the string of the black kite. Is it? And Geeta and Vinay won. And Vinay gave Geeta that green kite. She was so happy to get the kite. Is it? Yes. I think you all remember the story. Is it? Yes, very good. Now we can go through the question answers. Okay? Now all of you take your copy. You look at the question answers what you have written. What is the first question? Look at the book. Yes, it is. What did Vinay promise? And to whom? What did Vinay promise? Vinay promised Geeta he would teach her to fly kite. Is it? Vinay promised to Geeta. To whom Vinay promised? To Geeta. What he promised? He would teach her to fly kites. Okay. Look at the second one. How do we know Geeta lived next door to Vinay? What is the answer? All of you read together. Geeta only had to climb over the wall to come to Vinay's house. Geeta only had to climb over the wall to come to Vinay's house. Look at the third one. What did Vinay teach Geeta about kite flying? What is the answer? Vinay taught Geeta how to hold the string, how to slide on her fingers, and also taught how to keep a sharp pull and make it climb. Look at the fourth question. Why did the other kites look like a monster? How it is look like a monster. What is the answer? What is the answer? The other kite was black in color and had red eyes that made it looks like a monster. What was it? Yes, it is in black color. What was the color of the eyes? Yes, it is red. So it looks like a monster. And look at the fifth question. What happened to the monster? What happened to that black kite? What happened? Geeta cut the string of black kite with her green kite, and the monster began to fall away, troubling, falling and dropping. It comes down. Okay? Look at the last question. What it is? What made Geeta feel good? How did she feel? What made Geeta good? How did she feel? Vinay handed over the green kite to her as she won the kite fight. When she received the winning kite, she felt like a princess with a new crown. When she got that green kite, she was so happy. she became as like a, or she felt she's like a princess. Okay, all of you learn the question answers, okay, and the word meaning also. And now you can look at the next exercise, opposite. Find the opposite words from the story. From where we have to find? Yes, we have to find the opposite words of the words from the story. What is the first question? Defect. It is victory. Quickly, slowly, lost, won, wandered, unwanted, disappeared, appeared, larger, smaller. And look at the next one. Put the following into alphabetic order. What do you have to do? We have to write in alphabetic order. Okay. What do you have to look? You have to look at the first letter and second letter. Here, all the first letter is starting with M. Is it? And sometimes the second letter is also same. Is it? Here, for all the words you can see the first letter as M. Is it? Yes. Then what do you have to do? You have to look at the second letter. Okay. If the second letters are also same, what do you have to do? You have to look at the third letter. With that, you have to arrange these words in the alphabetic order. What is the correct answer here? Magic, make. Magic, make, many. Both the first letter and second letter is same. Is it? You look at the third letter. G, K, N. Minutes, Mohan, monster and Mike. Okay. Look at the next one. It all starts with a P. So, you have to look at the second letter. Okay. Look at the second letter and you have to arrange in the alphabetic order. Okay, dear students, you have to learn these exercises also. Look at the next exercise. Yes. Change the following and add an apostrophe. You have already learned how to put the apostrophe in language. Is it? So, this exercise is so easy for you. Isn't it? This exercise is so easy for you. Look at the exercise. The terrace of Vinay. What do you have to make? You have to put the apostrophe. Then it will change to the Vinay's terrace. What will change? The Vinay's terrace. Second one. The pattern of the kite. What do you have to do? The kite's pattern. Okay. As it so, you have to learn the exercise. And the next one it is put the full stop and capital letter. It is so easy. You have to put the first letter as capital, and while you are reading, you have to put the full stop, and the next letter start it as capital letter. Okay. Now you have to next exercise. You have to pick out the noun, adjectives and verb. What all things you have to find out? Noun, verbs and adjectives. Okay, you have to learn it also. You have to read that paragraph and you can find out which are the noun, adjectives and verb. Okay.